Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will create a simple calculator with do you want to continue functionality in Java programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. Anyway, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my website. So we have here package demo, import util scanner for input output. Public class MDAS stands for multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So public static void main, it is the starting point and ending point of every Java program. Scanner, new scanner, a library file for input output, and then I declare 4 variables, int, num1, num2, operator, and choice. So in order for us now to perform do you want to continue, I declare here a do loop statement, do begin, and then in this line of code we have just a walkthrough. We're asking the user to give two numbers that will be stored in variable num1 and num2. In this portion of our code, we have several operators that is available: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, which represent by plus sign for addition, minus for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, and slash for division. This portion, it will accept the operator. Using if-else statement, we do some addition here, subtraction, multiplication, and division. If the operator that is being provided by the user is not in the for operation, it will display invalid operator. So here we are asking the user, do you want to perform another calculation? Y for yes and for no. Choice, next character, no? So if n, capital N, character N, or choice equals small letter n or lowercase, and a program break, we get out, no, the use of break statement to the do while loop. While choice equals capital Y and choice small letter y, we close, and then we close the body of our public static void main. Actually, the code is quite simple and easy to understand for everyone. Let us run the program so that we can see the result. Enter first number, we have 10, second we have 2, and then the operator, let's say we have plus sign. So the sum of 10 and 2 is 12. Another operation, yes. Enter first value, let's say we have 6. Second operator, we have 5. Choose operator, we have multiplication or asterisk. The product between 6 and 5 is 30. Another operation, yes. Let's say for example, first operator, we have 500. Second, we have 200. Operator minus, so the difference between 500 and 200 is 300. Another operator, yes. First number 1000, 100. Second number we have 10. Let's see, the operator is division with the use of slash character. So the quotient between 100 and 10 is 10. Do you want to continue? Let's say we don't want no longer, and enter end of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on a simple calculator with do you want to continue functionality in Java programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.